People's relationship to Yiddish outside of the academic world is either like I was, or to some extent still am, like really like, oh, this is so nostalgic and this is so cool, and really all these positive feelings about it without actually knowing that much about it, or just like it's this totally foreign thing that they've kind of heard of maybe at some point, and it's just kind of, it's like, it seems like Latin maybe, that it's just kind of, why would you study that? Yiddish is not just like a language, a dead language, or Yiddish is not just, it's sort of removing the singularity or the like essentialness of anything and realizing that there's all sorts of like, historical and cultural influences that come together to make this concept, and that Yiddish isn't the same for me as it is for someone else, and that, it's a million different things, and that I guess just to re-examine and to keep questioning how and why we see a language or a historical event the way we do.